Lesson 1. Naming the first 3 strings. In this lesson, we are going to learn the names of the numbers of the first 3 strings on the guitar. E, B, and G. Or 1, 2, 3. Or first, second, third. Knowing the names and numbers of the strings is beneficial because it allows us to communicate quickly and effectively when transferring information. An open string refers to a string that has no fingers placed upon it along the fretboard. I recommend memorizing these before moving on to the next lesson. Exercise 1A, first, second, and third open strings. I will play the exercise using my thumb to play each string. E, first string open. B, second string open. G, third string open. Now, it's your turn.